persistently teachers return all possible permutations. You can return the answer in order. Okay, so given the numbers and I have to find the permutation of this combination. Okay, so let's define a function that takes the current array, the index of the chosen element that we are going to swap to create a new permutation of the array, and I'll also have okay, that's it. I'll check if idx is equal to the length, then I would say okay, I'll keep answer array here, and I will just end that permutation and return. So I'll run loop from the current index till end and swap this current element with every other next element to create the new permutation. Okay, and then I'll move on to the next number, and I'll keep doing this with every other number. And I have done all the permutations of the current number, and it's time to swap it so that new combinations can be created. Let's call this function and return this output. Oh, sorry, it should be 0. We should be starting from 0th index. Let's submit this.